Sairam students, we have learnt about the uses of microorganisms. We learnt that microorganisms are used in making of curd and bread. In the previous video, we learnt about the commercial use of microorganisms. We learnt that microorganisms such as yeast are used in the production of alcohol, wine, and vinegar. In this video, we are going to learn about the medicinal use of microorganisms. So, go through the video and take down the points in your notebooks. Uses of microorganisms. Medicinal use. Microorganisms have medicinal uses. Whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets, capsules, or injections. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. Whenever we feel ill, we go to the doctor and the doctor may prescribe some antibiotics. And what do these antibiotics do? They kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. So, what are antibiotics? Antibiotics are the medicines which kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. These days, a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Bacteria and fungi are used to produce a number of antibiotics, many antibiotics. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are some of the commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria. So remember these names of the antibiotics. The commonly known antibiotics, they are streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin. Remember these names, students. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are the commonly known antibiotics which are used to treat bacterial infections. The antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Life-saving antibiotics like streptomycin, chloromycin are derived from bacteria. These help control and cure diseases like pneumonia, typhoid, tuberculosis, and infections. So, we know that antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms, and antibiotics like streptomycin and chloromycin are derived from bacteria. They help to control and cure diseases like pneumonia, typhoid, tuberculosis, and infections. Now, it is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Also, you must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. Now, it is very important that you should not take antibiotics whenever you feel like. If you are feeling unwell, you should first consult the doctor, and once the doctor has prescribed the medicines, only then you should take it. You should not start taking medicines, whichever medicines that you may feel like. Also, you should complete the course prescribed by the doctor. How many ever days the doctor has advised you to take the medicines, you should take it for those many days in the correct dosage. If you take antibiotics when not needed or in wrong doses, it may make the drug less effective when you might need it in the future. If you unnecessarily take these antibiotics, they start becoming less effective when you may actually need it in the future. Also, antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. So, antibiotics are not only given to humans, but they are also mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial infection in animals. Antibiotics are even given to animals, livestock like cattle, horse, and poultry like chickens and hen to check the microbial infection. They are also used to control many plant diseases. They are also sprayed on the plants to control the diseases. So, what did we learn in this video, students? We learned about the medicinal use of microorganisms. Microorganisms are used in the formation of antibiotics. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are the commonly known antibiotics. What do antibiotics do? They control and cure diseases. Some of the diseases which they control and cure are pneumonia, typhoid, tuberculosis, and infections. Not only do humans consume antibiotics, antibiotics are also mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry in order to check the microbial infection in animals. And antibiotics also control many plant diseases when they are sprayed on the plants. Did you understand, students? Now answer these questions in your notebooks. First question: what are antibiotics? Second question: give examples of antibiotics. And the third question: state whether the given statement is true or false. The statement is: antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial infection in animals. You should write whether this statement is true or false. Thank you, students.